buy KFC in America?
No, not at all. I eat KFC.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not a
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Welcome to all my subscribers and my prospecting subscribers. Big up on a nice clean self. If you are watching for the first time, I am Doreen. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. So guys, today I am interviewing my husband. Okay, so we are going straight into it, and the questions are from the topic, how I see US as a Jamaican. So now let's begin. Hi, how are you? So, how long have you been living in America?
Too long.
How long is too long?
31 years.
31 years. That's long. So, as a Jamaican living in America, were you like, did you have culture shock when you get here for the first time? How was it for you?
It's not pretty at all. It's not pretty at all. A lot of people come here and think, say, okay, family gonna stand with you. No. You get 2 weeks.
2 weeks. When the banana chips and the bun done.
2 weeks in them house, then them start tell us the light bill too high, the water rate go up, food in the fridge done.
Okay.
And then we go to supermarket once a week.
Oh.
So,
So
that
I
is
fall
it.
in a good hands then. Yes,
No,
2
trust
weeks.
me.
Alright? So, what makes America different from Jamaica when you got here? Why you stayed?
Coming to America for the first time, we just come and me get caught up in the wrong crowd. However, we get out of that. But my thing is, you know, I go back to Jamaica and nothing in your pocket. So I go do anything you have to do to make sure it's something going in your pocket. Said I have to say this, some of the time, some of the things we do, and not the right thing, but you have to do what you have to do.
Okay. Have you ever been depressed in America?
Every day.
What makes you depressed?
Being in America, one, if you have a family where you have to take care of, you can't lazy. Because all you do in America is work. The bills them coming, and them coming, and them coming. You know, like Jamaica, if you don't pay JPS 1 month, you can dodge him. If them lock off a light, you can choke one wire. That's not working. So you have to pay light, you have to pay water, you have to pay heat, you have to pay everything. You have to pay for everything.
Food. How expensive is food?
I remember when I just come to America, I could have gone to a supermarket with $50 to $100. And I'll be alright. Now, minimum $400 or $500
We're talking about per month or per week?
per month. Talking about a week and a half.
A week and a half, $400 or $500.
Yeah.
And that's equivalent to like 400 or like 60,000 Jamaican dollars, and that's for a week. So food is expensive.
Very.
Very expensive. Alright?
And not authentic.
And not authentic. So food is not real, not organic, and we're not getting the real stuff from what we get in Jamaica. So, alright guys, so how much or not so, how often do you go out? How often do you go out, if you ever go out?
Right now, where I'm at in my life, I don't go out. I just, when I go out, I go to work and come home. That is it. But back in the days, yeah, I used to go out a lot because then I was just all over the place. But then when reality kicks in, you have to put on $1, which is very hard to do.
Very hard to save.
Very hard to save.
Okay. Alright, so if you have a friend, in America, how much can you borrow from them? How much money you can borrow from your friend?
Well, basically, me personally, I only have like 3 friends. I know I can get up to $2,000, but
You can borrow up to 2,000 from your friend, and how long can you owe him that $2,000?
it's a true man like own a body for too long. It's more likely a week or 2 the most.
So what if you don't have that 2,000 within that week to give back to your friend? What happened?
Well, they say as long as you communicate, you know. As long as you communicate with people and they say, okay, I was expecting this, it never came through, but give me an additional week, then it's all good.
Then you have good friends, man. You can get up to $2,000 from your friend. Alright?
A few.
Okay.
Not family.
Friends. Is car insurance expensive in America?
Oh, God. Car insurance, I used to pay $600 a month for one car. $600 a month for one car. But that's full coverage, whatever. But then I got rid of that car. However, yeah, car insurance is very expensive. Up to $400 and something a month for car insurance. And it's cheaper to insure a new car than an old car.
Okay. Do you prefer to buy fast food or cook?
I rather cook, you know, cause you don't know where you get when you come to fast food, you know.
But how expensive is fast food?
Well, it depends, you know. It depends on where you feel for. Cause if you're a single person, fast food doesn't work out for you, cause you can get a small food for about $7. And that
I'm not talking about cook shops. I'm talking about fast food like Burger King, Wendy's.
That no work. That no work. If you ever buy Burger King and them something, that no work, because the minute you pull up in a Burger King and stuff, they say, let me get a Big Mac or let me get a whatever sandwich. Right, they say at about $16.
Do you like KFC in America?
No, not at all. I eat KFC one time in America and I never, ever attempt it again. I'd rather go for Popeyes, but then Popeyes start drop off a shape, but no, not KFC.
Okay. Do you know your neighbors?
It took me about 7 years before I start communicate with nobody, because just like I said, all I do, I get up early in the morning, I head out to work, I come home, I don't go back outside. I just stay in, and I go outside, it's to the supermarket, or work.
Do you think that work is easy to come by in America?
No. 9 out of 10 times you have to know somebody.
So work is not easy to come by.
No,
so
it's not easy to come by. But at the same time, you know, in America, living in America, there's a lot of opportunities where you can jump on and make a revenue. But if you don't know, it won't happen. A lot of little loopholes where you don't need to work for people. A lot of little things you can do, like car buying, auction. Those are the things people feel like you have to have an action license to go. Action, go buy a car now.
So why do you think persons work 3-4 jobs? Why?
Just to make ends meet. It's hard for a single person to make it here, so in America you need 2 people. Because you in a 2-bedroom apartment house, if you're not talking about $2,500 a month for that rent, it's $2,500 and up for a 2-bedroom apartment. A single 1-bedroom is $2,000. That's in Brooklyn, Bronx, and Queens.
So people work 2-3 jobs to make 2 ends meet.
Yeah,
so you work until death, right? In America.
That's it.
Okay.
And owning a house in America, you still don't own it.
Why you say that?
The difference between owning a house in Jamaica and owning a house in America. Once you own your house in Jamaica, that's yours. You own a house in America, and you miss 1 tax, 2 tax, third tax, next thing you think your house in a foreclosure.
So you can miss a payment 3 times in America and the house is not yours anymore?
3-4 times and them start take away your house.
Okay. So, is a rich man in Jamaica a rich man in America?
No.
Why you said that?
If you're rich in Jamaica and come America are rich, that's not possible. Look on the rate of the dollar.
The rate is $1.54 for one.
Exactly.
So, but you can still, like, a rich man in Jamaica, you say is not a rich man in America.
No.
Tell me what you said. Because the rate of the dollar?
The rate of the dollar and cost of living. When you can come, so just like you asked about insurance, you talk about $400 or $500 a month for car insurance in America. Me that pay $100 and something $1,000 for my car insurance in Jamaica for the year.
Mm-hmm.
So do the maths.
Okay. Okay. So thank you guys for watching and to be continued. Bye bye. See you now next one. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe and tell a friend, tell a friend. Okay guys. Thank you.